Hi everyone, I'm Christopher, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a triangle using CSS and HTML. So let's go ahead and create a div. We are going to create a div and we are going to assign it an ID of triangle. So let's tab out to complete. Let's save this. And so as we can see, nothing has been rendered even though our div has been created, and that's because our div doesn't have any content inside it. So next we are going to have our inline CSS style. So we are going to target this div with the ID of triangle. So we are going to have triangle, and the first thing we are going to have for our div is to give it a content of an empty string. Let's save this. Next we are going to set the width to 0 pixels and also the height to 0 pixels. Let's save this. Then let's do a background color. So background color of, we are going to have transparent. Then now we are going to have a border, so a border right, and we are going to give it the color of, before the color let's set a border of 20 pixels. It's going to be a solid border, and the color let's set it to blue. Save. Then after our border right, we are now going to have a border left. So border left is also going to be of size of 20 pixels. It's going to be a solid border, and it is going to have a yellow color. The next border is going to be border top. It's also going to be of size 20 pixels. It's going to be a solid border, and let's set the color to red. Then our last border, which is going to be border bottom, is going to be of size 20 pixels. It's going to be a solid border, and the color let's set it to black. So let's save all this. And so you can see that just by using our borders, we have 4 triangles. We have the red triangle which is pointing down. We have a blue triangle which is pointing to the left hand side. We have a black triangle pointing up, and we have a yellow triangle which is pointing to the right hand side. So it depends on the triangle, the type of triangle you want to create. So if you want to create a triangle that looks like the red triangle, what you simply need to do is to set the color of the blue triangle to transparent, and also set the black triangle to transparent, and also the yellow to transparent. So let's go ahead and set this to transparent, and let's save this. So look at the shape we have finally created. So if you wanted a shape like this, we could set all of the other colors to black. So let's do that. So let's set this to black. Let's save this. You can see the kind of shape we have. We can also set the red to black, and you can see we have this nice looking shape. Let's undo all what we've done, and let's save this. So let's say you wanted a triangle like this red and the blue put together. What we just need to do is to set the black to also transparent. So let's save this, and now we can change the color to be 1. So let's also set this to blue, and you can see that we have a very nice right angled triangle. Let's undo all this. And so let's say you wanted a triangle looking like the black one. So we could simply set our border right to a transparent color, and also set our border top to a transparent color. And so when we save this, we are left with only the black triangle. Now what is simply left is just to manipulate with these background colors until you get the type of triangle you want. So basically that is going to be all for this video, and if you have any questions about this particular video, do feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel already, I urge you to subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when I upload the next video. Bye for now.